We are in Maui Tower. We are entering a 3-bedroom apartment, 276 square meters. Over here on the left, we have our living dining combo. Then over here we have an extra room. Use it for whatever you need. Game room, shut the kids away, have fun. Turn it into a movie room. You have this fabulous view. Can't get any better. Back here we have our kitchen. Into the laundry room, maid's quarters. And then through this side of the kitchen, there is a service door. So bringing a groceries makes that so much easier. And then we head back this way. And over on this side of the apartment, we have 3 bedrooms. Nice little area here to put your stuff. Each bedroom has its own closet and bathroom. And then an extra little sitting area for a quiet evening reading, watching a movie, popcorn, don't forget that. Again, another bedroom, nice cool view of the city. And then we have the master. Looks like we have a great walk-in closet. Yep. And then, again, beautiful views. And your master bathroom. Come join us in Maui. Wait, no, make that Panama. But have a great time and come and live a new, fun lifestyle.